Introducing the new Collaborate Teams 2. Completely redesigned for the way you work with Microsoft Teams and your RealWear headset. The new version makes collaboration more effortless and intuitive than ever before. AR-optimized user interface, redesigned specifically to give you the most effortless hands-free experience. Answer calls right away without even logging in. Or easily access your contacts and meetings with our extremely simplified sign-in process. Powerful new search capabilities let you instantly find and call any of your team's contacts directly from the device. Use the improved in-call controls, including better zoom features for when you need to inspect details up close. See it your way, illuminate dark spaces, and stream thermal vision in an instant. Download the new Collaborate Teams 2 today on the RealWear app marketplace.